Germany is the land of castles and palaces. Their exact number is unknown, but it is estimated to be around 25,000. Our flying guide will take you to 5 particularly interesting castles. Let's start with Hohenzollern Castle. As in a knight's fairy tale, it towers on the Zollerberg hill in the Swabian Alps. It is the ancestral seat of the Hohenzollern family, which has produced kings and emperors. The castle is practically still a new building. Hardly anything about it is older than 160 years. With its many turrets, battlements and roofs, it is considered a prime example of neo-Gothic castle architecture. Our next stop is Wartburg Castle in Eisenach. Because of its cultural and historical significance, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. It is almost 1,000 years old. The songs of the famous minstrel Walter von der Vogelweide resounded here. Wartburg Castle was also home to Saint Elisabeth of Thuringia and provided shelter for reformer Martin Luther. He translated the New Testament into German here. In 1817, the Wartburg Festival, a student protest rally for a unified and free nation-state, took place at the castle. Wartburg Castle served as the setting for all these historical events as a fortified stronghold, hostel and residence. Runkel Castle near Limburg is perched on a vertically sloping rock above the Lahn River. It was first mentioned in 1159, but is probably older. It was built to secure the Lahn Bridge. Today, the lower castle houses a museum. Other parts of the building are inhabited or serve as storage space. The upper castle is a ruin which can be toured. Rudelsburg Castle also rises above a river, the Saale, in the state of Saxony-Anhalt. It was probably built by the bishops of Naumburg in the High Middle Ages to secure trade routes. At the end of its eventful history, the castle was burned to the ground. Today, it is a popular attraction with a restaurant. Our flying guide continues its flight to Meersburg Castle, picturesquely located on Lake Constance. It is considered the oldest inhabited castle in Germany. Over 30 furnished rooms bring the Middle Ages to life. You can visit the castle kitchen, the Hall of Arms, the Knight's Hall, and the torture chamber. However, the castle is best known for the fact that the famous German poet Annette von Droste-Hülshoff lived and died here in the mid-19th century. This is where our flying guide's journey ends. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, DW Travel.